Here's an update on the update about the Brother firmware updates. And boom! We did it again with the updated chips. The chips are clearly marked to identify their colour. Use your bionic sight to read the 10 micron font size text on the side of each chip. You will also see the chip version number below the colour. Before you begin, get rid of any static in your body, then lever off the chip from the chip holder. Scrape off and remove any leftover adhesive on the chip holder platform. What's that doing? Getting the glue off?
Yeah, because it won't sit properly if you put the new one on.
Separate one of the double-sided sticky pads and remove the tape seals. And this is like a sticky pad? Mm-hmm. Double-sided? Mm-hmm. Grab a chip and stick it on the pad onto the back of the golden battery box. Onto the gold bit. Line up and apply the chip to the holder, making sure the chip is the correct way up and lined up with the holder itself. How do I know it's aligned?
You see how that's not a complete square?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a...
Okay. And you're done. You now have the advantage over every other brand in Australia. Your chips work in everything. Your chips are 100% compatible with the latest firmware on both the standalone printers and the multifunction printers. The new chip addresses the last 4 firmware updates where they lowered the voltage tolerance. We have rechipped all our warehouse stock and placed a purple dot on the bottom of the rechipped stock. Many other suppliers don't even know these last 4 firmware updates occurred and have not updated yet. Apart from being recognised as the best quality cartridges, this is just one more advantage to selling Eco Advanced and Gold line with a track record of being first to update, meaning you retain more customers and protect your margins. There have been 4 updates involving the voltage tolerance in the last 15 months. The older your chips, the higher the chance of rejection. Eco Advanced and Gold line have consistently been first to market across all brands with new IP clean chips for the last 5 years. This means you get less rejections, you retain more customers, and you get higher profits selling either Eco or Gold line cartridges. It's really important to keep educating your customers to turn off auto updates. Use our tip sheets as a handout to update them on what they need to do when they get home or back to the office. So we've got tip sheets for Brother, Epson and HP, and it's important that you just keep educating customers to turn off the updates to avoid problems.